What's up everyone, it's Andrew here, and today at T-sportline, we're at the Atlanta headquarters, and we're going to be going over our new backup light boost bar on the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is awesome, but the reverse lights leave just a little bit to be desired about. Now, with the new backup light boost bar, it's going to change the game. Check it out. One of the best parts about this product is there's no cutting or drilling required. However, if you do want to go that route, you can cut or drill for a cleaner install. Now let's go ahead and compare the LUX output. Now let's test the light output with the OEM reverse lights. And I'm reading about 500 LUX. And now we're going to go ahead and test the light output with the backup light boost bar installed. We're reading about 1200 LUX. As we just saw in the comparison, we're not just 100 or 200 lumen above the stock output, we're almost double. Now, if you like what you saw in today's video, go ahead and check out the comment section, leave a comment, and make sure you leave a like. You can find this and much more at tsportline.com.